Next is the factors affecting photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is affected by both internal and external factors. The internal factors include the number, size, age and orientation of leaf, type of mesophyll cells, number of chlorophyll and chloroplast present, and the external factor include the sunlight, temperature, carbon dioxide concentration and water. So here is the law which is related to the photosynthesis, that is Blackman's law of limiting factor. This law states when a physiological process is controlled by a number of factors, the rate of the reaction depends on the slowest factor. This means that at a given time, only the factor which is the least or in limiting amount among all the factors will determine the rate of reaction. So the external factor which affect the photosynthesis is light. The quality of light as well as the intensity of light influence the process of photosynthesis. Light of wavelength between 400 nanometers and 700 nanometer is effective for photosynthesis, and this type of light is known as photosynthetically active radiation or PAR. As the intensity of the light increases, the rate of photosynthesis increases. But at higher light intensities, the rate of photosynthesis does not increase. It may be due to the two reasons. Maybe the other factors needed for the photosynthesis may be limiting, or the destruction or the photooxidation of the chlorophyll. Next external factor that affect the process of photosynthesis is carbon dioxide concentration. In C3 plants, the rate of photosynthesis increases with increase in the carbon dioxide concentration. But in C4 plant, the saturation is reached at a concentration of about 360 μ per liter. Hence, the carbon dioxide is a major limiting factor for photosynthesis. Temperature. The photochemical phase is less affected by the temperature, but the biosynthetic phase or the dark phase of reaction that involve enzyme catalyzed reaction is more sensitive to the temperature. The C4 plants have a higher temperature optimum, while C3 have a lower temperature optimum. The temperature optimum for a particular plant also depends on its natural habitat. Tropical plants have a higher temperature optimum than temperate plants. Last factor that affects the process of photosynthesis is available soil water. The effect of water is more on the plant rather than directly on the photosynthesis. Water influences photosynthesis in two ways. If available water decreases and plants show water stress, the stomata close. Hence, there will be a decreased supply of carbon dioxide for the process of photosynthesis. Another is if the leaves become wilted and the surface area for the activity decreases in the absence or less amount of water, which reduces all the metabolic activity inside the leaf.